Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you a HeyReach tutorial. Essentially, I'll be showing you how you can automate LinkedIn outreach across multiple accounts, import leads from real LinkedIn sources, build safe sequences, and more. If you run outbound, sales, recruiting, or an agency, you will be hitting LinkedIn's daily limits fast. And this is where HeyReach lets you run outreach with multiple LinkedIn sender accounts in one campaign, rotate actions, and manage all replies in one place. And the way you can get started is that you want to create a free account by using the link in the description below this video to start your free trial. So as soon as you create your account, you will be able to create a workspace and start your free trial. And then inside of it, you can go to the LinkedIn accounts and then connect account. HeyReach will offer two connection routes, whether you can sign in with your LinkedIn credentials or keep the session connected if you use two-factor authentication. There is also a Chrome extension whose only job is linking your LinkedIn to HeyReach, but there will be no scraping or automation in the extension itself. Now, once you've connected it to HeyReach, your profile becomes a sender. You want to repeat this for teammates or client profiles that you manage so you can rotate senders in one campaign and stay within the typical daily limits per account instead of blasting from one profile and getting flagged as spam quickly. Now let's go ahead and talk about the pricing real quick just so you know what to expect. When it comes to the pricing with HeyReach, you can either opt in for a monthly, quarterly, or yearly plans, 15% off the quarterly and 25% off the annual plans. Now the pricing of the plans will vary based on how many senders you require. Their first and cheapest plan, the growth plan for one sender, is $79 per month. That gives you access to unlimited amount of campaigns and all LinkedIn actions. But if you need up to 10 senders in this plan, its price will climb quickly to $590 per month. If you need even more senders, then you can consider the agency plan at about $1,000 per month when paid monthly and gives you access for up to 50 senders, unlimited campaigns, all LinkedIn actions, and more. Now, one of the amazing features about using HeyReach is that your risk will drop when you act like a human, and HeyReach helps you do that by letting you set daily limits and working hours per sender, providing dedicated residential IPs for each LinkedIn account by default with the option to add your own proxies if you need specific locations. It also enforces delays between actions. There is a rule of minimum 3 hours between most steps. So I highly recommend that you set these first so you don't trip the flags. Now after that, we've got the lead sources, the real LinkedIn data, and you can get them by going to the leads and then plus or add leads. From here, you can import your leads from LinkedIn searches, so whether people or companies. We also have LinkedIn Sales Navigator with the leads or the accounts, LinkedIn Recruiter, LinkedIn Events, LinkedIn Post, or a CSV file. This is how you keep your lists clean and relevant without manual copy pasting. An example of this would be to build a tight ICP in the Sales Navigator. You copy the search URL and paste it into add leads. HeyReach will then import that audience into a named list. You can segment the lists by persona or market before launching a campaign. Once again, if you do have a populated CSV file, you can import it and then map the fields. This could be name, title, company, LinkedIn URL, etc. And this will help later when you personalize with the first name or the company tags and set a fallback copy if a field is missing. Now the next natural step would be to build a safe, simple sequence. You open campaigns and then a new campaign, choose your lead list and sender accounts. And then you want to build the sequence with these building blocks. If connection, you split your flow for first degree versus second or third degree contacts. If already connected with the contact, you skip straight to a message. But if not, you want to warm them up first. And then you can add some warm actions like view profile and like post to build some light familiarity before you send a request. You can also add a delay after each action. After that, you send a connection request, and when they accept, a message in the sequence. Don't forget to add an end rule, so if they reply at any point, the sequence should end and the chat moves to your Unibox so you can take it manually. Now keep in mind that HeyReach enforces a minimum 3-hour delay between most actions. The F connection step can be immediate, but this is on purpose because the pace will save the accounts. Now once that is done, you will have your Unibox where you can reply to everyone from one place no matter how many connected accounts you've got. You can filter it by campaign, sender, or tags. Again, you don't need to log into all of your profiles or pass phones around. You just answer from one screen and one location, and then you move your good leads to booking. You can also add new lists to an active campaign, import extra contacts into the same list via a CSV, or move leads from one campaign to a follow-up campaign. If a lead already exists in that campaign, HeyReach won't duplicate it. And lastly, I want to talk about the integrations. So you can use webhooks or API or tools like Make and Zapier to log activity to your CRM, for example HubSpot, or to auto-tag replies by sentiment. HeyReach also shows an MCP key to connect AI agents like with Claude or ChatGPT for tasks such as splitting lists or tagging replies. I recommend keeping it very simple at first, and then you can start automating later on once you get the gist of it. Now, I want to mention that no tool can promise you zero risk. You want to keep your actions as human as possible, follow realistic limits, and definitely use business hours. You don't want to be spamming, as HeyReach will help you with the limits, proxies, and the pacing, but you're still responsible for staying within what LinkedIn tolerates. So that will be all on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to try HeyReach completely for free, go ahead and use the link in the description down below. Create your account at no extra cost. Let us know what you think of HeyReach by leaving a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos relating to this one.